Today we embark on a magical journey to Wiesbaden, a city known for its stunning architecture, rich history and vibrant charm. It holds a special place in my heart, not just because I was born here, but because I spent over 14 years of my life exploring every corner of this beautiful city. In this cinematic video, I explain everything you need to know if you're planning a visit, from parking tips and coast to the must-try treats, and whether this magical experience is really worth it. And trust me, you won't want to miss the highlight of the evening. It might surprise you. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and immerse yourself in the wonders of the Wiesbaden Christmas market, also known as the Sternschnuppenmarkt.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all, with those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. Oh, it's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time. Oh, the most wonderful time of the year.
The Christmas market is located in the heart of Wiesbaden, in the city center and the pedestrian zone. With over 1,700 retail businesses, it offers everything you could wish for. If you arrive by train, you can plan a 15-minute walk and pass a small park called Reisingeranlage. It is cozy and it only goes straight. The local bus operator SW is also offering an event ticket, you can see here, with which you can visit the markets from the Mainz and Wiesbaden area for €5 or €5.20 in 2025. This ticket is also valid for S-Bahn and regional trains. If you arrive by car, you can park in the theater, City 2, Mauritius-Galerie and Luisenplatz parking garage from Friday to Sunday for a maximum of €5. Wow! This Ferris wheels is really impressive and takes us on 5 laps in heated gondolas at a height of 45 meters. Price €6. Wiesbaden's ice rink at Wormendam is a magical winter highlight. Tickets are just €6 for adults, €4 for kids and skate rentals for only €4. While skating, you'll enjoy stunning views of the historic Kurhaus and its illuminated casino. Copyright. Hi Ramona.
Hi!
You're back in my vlog.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm happy. And how much expensive is the Glühwein here?
Hello? €4.
€4. Okay, and the fund €3. So the summary is €7. It's very expensive, but it's worth it, right?
Yes. Right.
And we're here with Helena. And want to say hello?
Hello.
What is this? Oh, Kohlenhydrate. Uh-oh.
Panda. Panda ist cool. Besser als Häschen, oder?
Panda, better than Häschen.
Guck mal, Helena. Flutsch da mal rein. Schon besser als die anderen Rosanen, gell?
Perfekto.
Ja? Was kostet die? 19. Danke. Hast du so endlich wieder solche jetzt?
Okay. Ich soll sie gleich bei dem Onkel Güt zeigen zum Film.
Sag mal für den Film.
Das ist, weil die Jacke aber auch so eng ist.
Fertig mit Arbeit?
Oder? Ja, fertig mit Arbeit.
Ja?
Und da ist er.
Das sind keine Handschuhe.
Doch.
Man sieht ja deine Hände.
Wow.
Gut so? Schön weich, gell?
Ja. Wow, Ballo.
Total gern.
Achso, ja,
Hey, ich kann dir das gleich mal zeigen.
Hast du dein Portemonnaie? Du hast das glaube ich da hingelegt.
So. Gut? Sollen wir die mal richtig anziehen?
Kannst sie immer links, rechts, ist egal bei dem, ne?
Ja.
Man kann so lang oder so lang. Das ist echt gut.
Wo kommt ihr her?
Aus Berlin.
Berlin. Und ihr habt einen eigenen Laden oder wie?
Nee, wir haben einfach einen Kunsthandwerkerbetrieb.
Und ihr fahrt von Markt zu Markt oder wie macht ihr?
Weihnachten machen wir nur hier.
Gut, gut. Dann viel Spaß.
Lass den Band
Ja, die wolltest du doch letztes Jahr schon.
haben wir ja auch gekauft.
Achso, ja, siehst du.
Ich finde die Chili cool, die gefällt mir gut.
Also wenn ich mir eine raussuchen könnte, dann würde ich die Melone nehmen, weil die ist echt cool.
Warum Melone? Warum?
Weil ich
Warum?
Melone mag.
Melone, ja.
Avocado?
Das sieht so nach Phallus-Symbol aus.
Was, die Melone? Das sieht nach... Das ist Aubergine.
Aubergine, genau.
Aubergine
Wie wär's
sieht nach
mit dem
Penis
roten
aus.
Motorrad da hinten?
Ja, das fand ich auch cool, aber wenn dann schwarz.
Nee, das rote.
Nee, wenn schwarz.
Weihnachten muss rot sein.
Nee.
Okay,
Das ist...
write in the comment, red or black bicycle?
For Christmas tree.
Yeah, for Christmas.
Oder den...
Or? Yeah, that is mine, PlayStation. 15 Euro. Nice. Hi Kai. Nice. Do you have here 3 Euro for this? 3?
Ja.
It's expensive for.
Aber roughly 6 Chili.
Kriegen wir 2 Euro Rabatt?
This is yours?
Rot, kriegen wir 2 Euro Rabatt.
Ja.
Okay, here's
Kriegen wir
2 Euro. This is red. This is red. You get it.
Yes.
You get it.
Guck mal. A hot for Wiesbaden.
Yeah. Every year she's coming here and she's buying one of this for Christmas.
Ja. I have to grunze wie ein Gaul.
Ja, Schatzi, ich kann es nicht ändern.
Ich muss pisse wie ein Gaul.
Ja, hier das Rathaus hat Toilette auch.
Ja.
It should also be mentioned that the town hall has opened toilets. You will find these behind the live grandstand. Okay, this little cinematic video should have given you a little overview. You can spend a few hours here on a cozy evening, strolling through the city center, visiting the main train station, the Ferris wheel and ice skating. It's pretty busy at weekends, so avoid rush hour. The Christmas market is within walking distance of the main train station and is spread over a large square.
Sie auch Schoki?
Kein Bikini, kein Badeanzug.